खरे खरे. नमस्कार, येवकार तुमका पासय वन्स अगेन. आम्ही फर्स्ट सिरीजान वेले, फर्स्ट एपिसोडान वेले तुमकां बाणावले बिचाचेर आनी थंय म्हळ्यार पेलेक. ताजे उपरांत आमकां लक्षांत आयलें की सद्या पावस पडला म्हणटकर एक म्हत्वाची गजाल गोंयांत चलता आनी जी पारंपारीक रित्या पुर्वापार पासून चलता ती म्हणजे शेत लावप. शेत लावप ह्या वेळार जाता आनी शेत लावप हो सादो प्रोसेस न्ही. शेत लावप हो असो प्रोसेस आसा जेका मल्टी लेयर्ड काम आसता. फक्त आमकां दिसता ती शेतां, पूण तेजे फाटल्यान जे त्रास आसता ते त्रास कवर करतले. फाटल्या पासयेक आमी फाटल्या वर्सा रादर आमी अशे एका फादरांक मेळ्ळे जे ह्या पुराय कामान तांणी आपल्याक स्वताक झोकून घेतला आनी ताका लागून कितलीशींच फिल्डां तांणी पांचवेचार करून दवरिल्ली आसा. कुडतरे पासून सुरू ते वेळी पणसर ते तांची फिल्डां पांचवेचार केला. आतां तांकांच परत मेळपाक आयिल्ले आसा फादर जॉर्ज कॉड्रोस फ्रॉम डॉन बॉस्को. आतां फादर म्हत्वाच्या फादराची भुमिका ही की फादर इज नॉट जस्ट मोटिवेटींग पीपल फॉर दीस बट ऑल्सो ते स्वता हातून पार्टिसिपेट जाता. फाटले जर व्हिडिओ तुमी काडून पळयले आमी घालतले हाजे उपरांत, जाल्यार ते स्वता ट्रान्सप्लांटराचेर मशिनाचेर बसून ते ट्रान्सप्लांट करता. सो आमी सद्या आयिल्ले आसा डॉन बॉस्कोच्या अशा एका प्रिमायसिसान राय, जंय हांगा तयार जाता ती रायस सिडलिंगान नंतर जाता तो रोपो आनी तेजे रोपो नंतर जाता ते आमचो भात. सो आमी मेळटले फादर जॉर्ज कॉड्रोसाक आनी ताच्या पयलीं आमी एक घोशणा लक्षांत दवरपाचें, एक स्लोगन लायफ टायम की नो फार्मर नो फूड. म्हणजे आमकां जेवण गरज आसा, बाकीची सगळीं शाणपणां करपा खातीर जेवण ना जाल्यार मनीस जात उरची ना. सो नो फार्मर नो फूड हे स्लोगन लक्षांत दवर आनी आमी मेळटा फादरांक. फादर, देव बरें करूं.
Welcome Rupesh, welcome your team. Nice to have you here in Raia.
This is nice.
This is Don Bosco's new presence in Raia, and we are only catering to agriculture.
This is exclusively for
exclusive agriculture and exclusive for the people of Goa.
Spirituality through agriculture.
Spirituality to agriculture. That is the new concept now. Okay, many people tell me that it is successful because of the spirituality that I have. That's why the process is successful.
True.
As you say, it's not only business. Okay.
Correct.
It has to have that other aspect of caring and attitude.
No farmer, no food.
No farmer, no food. Right.
आणि नो फूड जाल्यार बाकीची सगळी शाणपणां इज युजलेस. उपाशी पोटार जायना शाणपणां. ओके, सो टेल अस अबाउट दिस प्लेस. वॉट तुमी हांगा करता?
This place, we are preparing plants, small little seedlings to take to the field to plant in the farmer's field. We like making life easy for the farmer. If not, the farmer has to buy the seed from the shop. He has to grow it in his own field. He has to look after it. He has to protect it from animals, from birds. Then he has to pluck it from the field. Then he has to take it to his own field and plant it there. The amount of costing and the amount of labor involved is very great. So now this whole process is mechanized. It's becoming like a factory, where prices drop. Okay. Drop tremendously. So if he is spending some 30,000 rupees today, he is spending only 10,000.
And assured quality seedlings.
Assured quality seedlings. Okay. We'll show you around, then you can see. The process is simple, but there is a lot of work involved. It looks simple because when we go to the field, people are seeing the machine working and it's so fast.
People feel that just like that.
Yeah, just like that. Okay. So this is the background what we are going to look into. The seeds are brought and put into water, and then we treat the seeds a little because not to have any disease in the field. Okay. So the plants will come healthy quality.
What kind of treatment?
So we put fungicide, a little bit of fungicide inside, and this seed is Jaya, okay, white in color, and there is Jyoti. So depend what the farmer wants, accordingly we put.
Jaya and Jyoti.
Yeah, Jaya and Jyoti. Everything is pre-booked. Okay, because a lot of material involved, it cannot go waste.
So farmer pre-book all these things.
Yeah, he pre-books, he comes here,
in advance
payment is all done and finished. Once the payment is done, the tension and the burden is on us.
Prepaid is best.
Yeah. So tension burden, the farmer just has to relax.
Okay.
Till we come. This is put for 24 hours for the seed to get wet. From there, it goes into bags like this to
Okay.
keep it warm.
This is for 24 hours.
24 hours.
Okay.
Next, another 24 hours in this bag. And this is covered again with a plastic so that no water falls inside and gets heated up. It works on heat. Germination takes place with heat. Within 24 hours, this germinates.
Okay, like this.
Yeah, you'll get it like this.
Yeah, the
But
comb
these are too
viral
big.
hai.
Nah. ये germination ना, ये बाहर
Okay,
outside.
I thought
Okay, this is
germination.
outside. Okay.
Okay.
This is of the same bags are used again.
पण एका कॉम आयल्या.
ते आता वापरपाना असं.
हां.
ना. ते चोट झालं, ओढले झालं.
इतले असं जायना.
मशीनात बसपा जायना.
Okay.
Okay, it will get jammed in the machine. Okay.
So प्रत्येक दाण्याची स्टडी असता.
Wait. Pratik, it comes automatic, okay?
Okay.
Automatic, okay? So now this is packed from here. From here it goes to the machine for dropping.
Okay.
I think this process is simple, okay? These are little fallen down and the same bags are used.
Okay.
Not to waste.
So 24 hours there, 24 hours
here.
here.
Yes.
So altogether 2
48
days.
hours is already over.
Yeah.
2 days. Then we go into this place where our machine is here, which is automatic, fully automatic.
Okay.
Time saving. We take about 800 trays per hour. Okay,
800 trays per hour
we can take out. Okay.
So if there was no machine, then what?
No
you would
machine,
have
then
done?
it would be by hand. Then again, it would be laborious process. Okay?
Again,
laborious process to.
Then you have to
this.
put it properly.
Yes,
and
yes.
Okay.
All that. It won't come properly. It won't come properly. From here, this is a premix soil.
Okay.
Not too big stones. It is sieved so that it's
So
just
from
mill-
where you get this?
We buy the soil, okay, or we collect soil wherever it is desilted. Desilting is going on, taking place, okay. That soil is good soil, so the desilting soil is used by us. We go approach people and get that soil and bring it, and down we've got machines for sieving it, for removing the stones.
So
and the
this
dirt.
happens during May month.
During the off season.
Off season.
Off season, it is all packed and kept ready.
During summer.
During summer. Okay.
When
Whenever
it is
the
hot
workers,
outside.
When the workers are free, they are doing this work.
Okay.
Off season. This is also has cow dung, organic material into it.
Okay.
More or less 20% is cow dung.
Okay, so you mix cow dung.
Mix
in
cow
this.
dung. So that what happens, gets into the field, some organic process is taking place there in the field also. Also the growth of the plant is vibrant. Okay, vibrant.
So you get better harvest.
Better harvest, everything goes. Then from there this is a
So
automatic machine.
This is sand, this
This
is
soil,
soil which
yeah.
you have put.
Yeah, then this is watering.
Huh.
Yeah.
Where are seeds?
We'll start it now.
Seedlings?
Seeds are
That will come later.
That will come later.
Okay, so from here.
From here. From here, it goes into this water,
Yeah.
goes into the seeds, and then you get a cover, soil cover. We'll run it for a little while and
Can
see.
we- can we-
Yeah, we'll run it.
So now this starts soil.
Soil comes into it, leveling takes place here,
Okay.
then watering.
Huh.
You can see the water beautifully falling down here.
Okay.
Then the conveyor belt keeps moving.
Huh.
Here you have the seeds.
Okay.
This is the seed according to the variety. You just
Seed.
change the seed and you get a different variety of plant.
Okay.
Okay. This is Jyoti.
How do you identify between Jyoti and
Jyoti
Jaya?
is a little reddish. Okay.
Huh.
This cover is red. Jaya will be white.
Jaya will be white.
White. The cover will be white.
So this is brown rice. What
Brown
we
rice, what we call
Both
it.
variety.
But no, that is white.
That is white.
White.
Jaya is white.
White. Yeah.
So Jyoti is
Jyoti is red.
ukde आणि सुरई.
Ukade and surai na.
हाँ
Doni ukade.
दोन्ही उकडे.
Yeah. Both are boiled. Process
Boiled.
of boiling.
Okay.
After it is harvested, the paddy is boiled.
Huh.
Then it becomes ukade.
Okay.
But if you process it straight, it becomes surai.
It is
Direct
like
process,
that.
Yeah. So then cooking is easy, but all taste difference.
So
Taste
demand is for
Demand is
boiled.
for boiled. Boiled jyoti.
Ukde rice.
Yeah. Ukade
Everyone
and red.
wants it now.
And red, yes. In Goa, everybody is become fond of it.
हाँ
now.
तो even tourists want.
Even tourists want. Yes.
त्यांका ते खावपा जाय.
सारखे,
इधर
सारखे.
किधर मिलता है लाल राइस.
Yeah, they keep asking, yes. And it is running in short supply now in Goa.
अच्छा.
it's running
Why?
short
Because
supply.
many people
Because
don't.
no, many people want and production has decreased in Goa overall.
Demand
Yeah,
is more.
demand is more. Demand is more, production has fallen because cost of production is high.
Okay.
Yeah.
But you are bringing
Now
so
we are,
much of.
now we are bringing it down. Now we are bringing the price down because of mechanization.
You are the father of paddy
Paddy.
field revolution in Goa.
Yes.
We can call you that because we have seen last year we have covered that
Yes,
time.
last year covered the planting part of it.
Yeah,
Okay,
planting
yeah.
part. And then many people called us to say ki you have done the right thing that you should feature.
Many people have come to me for training after watching
After
the videos.
watching.
Yes, not only from Goa,
Ah.
but coming from outside state also.
They saw
Yeah,
video on
they've
YouTube.
seen videos. And many of our institutions across India also have seen it and making demands, but we cannot go.
Ah.
We are tied up with Goa. Goa has got enough of work, and we are inviting them to come here, have a look, train and go.
First
Several
is
have
your
come.
pet project, and then comes.
Yes.
This is your pet
This is my
project.
pet project. No, it has to be sustainable.
Yeah.
So you have to make it really work. You can't just do one sample and then disappear from the scene.
Correct.
You have to make sure that it's sustained. And one
Every year it
sustainability,
continues.
one sustainability is we have trained other people to also do the same work.
Ah.
So if Father George goes, no fear. Okay, there are other people.
The process is
process
set.
is set. Process is set.
And people are convinced that this
Yes,
is what they want.
convinced. Yeah, convinced.
Okay. So
Even the department is giving a lot of support for this whole process.
agriculture
Yeah.
department. Now, where is this machine made?
This made is made in Japan.
Made in Japan.
This is Japanese machine, food set.
Japanese.
India has not made one machine as yet.
But this is difficult to make, or
No, it is not very difficult to make. It
I
just
think you
that-
can ask Don Bosco engineering college students to make one machine.
What happens is this tried and tested and now this machine is running with me 10 years. This is an old
Okay.
machine. 10 years it is running. Okay, tried and tested. Little small little things, but it's running.
Maintenance
And it's
is
not,
huge? No.
not big maintenance. And cost was not very costly. It costed me 2,80,000.
This
Yeah,
machine.
so instead of somebody manufacturing this and telling and all that, you have this part of the story is taken care of.
So how you came to know about this machine?
I had gone to Delhi. I was working in Delhi for 3 years. So I used to attend Pragriti Maidan. We had a lot of these functions going on there. A lot of experts.
Agriculture.
A lot of things. Then I seen the Japanese there.
Huh.
With all their machines, and I was impressed with that, and then started talking to them, and
I
then
think
came back to
similar
Goa.
is your story with
Planter. Same.
Planter.
This is all linked.
Okay.
This is one process linked. Okay, so to run that, you need to run this. Okay, yeah. If not, you see the speed in which these things are coming out, no?
So every hour, how many plates are getting ready?
Yeah, we can take maximum 800 plates per hour.
800 plates
Yeah,
per
per
hour.
hour.
And that is how many?
800
plants?
plates will cover 4 hectares. So 40,000 square meters.
40,000 square
Square
meters
meters will cover.
in 1 hour.
In 1 hour, what you produce,
Yeah.
when you put it in the field, it covers
There also you are doing it very quickly. with
very
the
quickly,
machine.
very quickly, yeah, very quickly.
We have seen you
Yes,
doing
yes,
within
The
no
whole,
time.
the whole thing is to make life simple, no?
True.
and simple and affordable.
Correct.
Yeah, because everybody wants to save money and that's how it works. Yeah.
And then also it will encourage people to go
Encourage
for
people to
it.
get back to their fields, yes.
Yeah.
Today they don't need to do anything. It's just one phone call and everything is done for them.
Okay. Only thing you require a paddy field.
Hey, you require paddy field. Yes.
Okay.
So you can see it coming out here.
Yeah.
And then it is going there into being stacked up here.
Okay.
And from there stacking, immediately they will close it now.
Okay. And
They
then
will put a sheet, plastic sheet and close it. After 48 hours, they open it up here.
मैं तो अच्छा था.
And here you see the germination is taking place. You can see the germination beautifully taking place.
Okay. मागे हे काढून शेतान यातून घालपाचे. Not really शेतान. Before that
No.
process.
No, from here it goes straight to the field.
Field.
To this nursery.
Not
we'll
paddy
call this
field.
nursery, not to the paddy field. No,
Nursery.
no, no. We go to the nursery. It has
Okay.
to take root and form.
But आणि एक option असा न्ही that you can bypass all this.
Yes.
Just throw the
You can just throw
seedlings.
the seed. But what happens is that broadcasting seed production is very low.
Okay.
One is production very low. Two is you have to take care of the birds for about 3-4 days.
हाँ.
Okay, so people are sitting in the fields and looking after the birds because the birds come and eat up the plants at once. As they germinate, they eat it up.
Correct.
Okay, because it is just broadcasted. It is not gone
So
into
that
the
is
soil.
a traditional method.
That is was a traditional method. But
Okay.
now the birds also have increased.
So how many?
Okay, and then another one problem is there. If it rains heavily,
हाँ.
that whole thing is gone.
हाँ ते
Yeah,
भितर उरता
Wait,
उदकान
and then
उरता.
it got rotten and doesn't germinate. Okay, so then they have to do the process again.
The field is inundated for days
Inundated,
together.
yeah. 2-3 days inundated, it's over. The seed
Okay.
is over.
So now this seedling which you provide to farmers, it is okay with all the kind of climate or it's in certain climate.
For Goa, we are doing what was suitable for Goa. The
With
plants.
resistance to all the
yeah, all
climate.
whatever is. Yeah, all these plants which are suitable for Goa, we are growing. So
Yeah,
people
and
want to
also the
do.
Kazan
Wait,
sheti
they
bhi
want
the-
to Kazan also can be done on this.
Okay.
But only thing, the machine doesn't go in the Kazan land.
Okay. ते कित्याक लागून माशी असता.
Mashi, sort mashi. So we have to look at smaller machines.
Okay.
Okay, so certain Kazan lands we have smaller machines which can go. But by and large,
पंचामृता फोर्टिफाइड राइस, फोर्टिफाइड यानी प्लस एफ साइन। पंचामृता फोर्टिफाइड राइस में होते हैं आयरन, कैल्शियम, जिंक, फॉलिक एसिड, विटामिन ए, बी जैसे 9 तरह के मिनरल्स जो देते हैं संपूर्ण पोषण।
पंचामृता फोर्टिफाइड राइस यानी संपूर्ण पोषण, स्वस्थ जीवन। अब घर घर में पंचामृता।
So how
deep
many
Kazan.
farmers do you cater?
more or
in this
less
system?
600 farmers.
600
600 farmers in a period of 45 days. Yeah, you have seen us running in the fields.
I know.
So 600 farmers, 45 days.
This is in and around Margao.
We are covering from Kavalosi Valley, right up to Velsong.
Huh.
And this side we go little inside to Kuttori Mine.
North Goa Kuruna.
North Goa, I've trained these guys, Goancha Setkas.
Okay, yeah, we have to mention
Yeah,
about
one day
them.
have
This
to.
is group of young Goans. I think one of them is working on a ridge
On the rigs, yeah.
outside.
The other one is engineer who was on Jet Airways,
Okay.
aircraft engineer, aeronautic engineer, who gave up his job and he is full time on this.
Okay.
And the third one is one Stanley by name who's given up. He was marketing in Idea,
Okay.
a marketing manager.
So they have given a
They have
big
given up all the things,
jobs,
big jobs, and they have come on
corporate jobs.
Yes.
And गोयचो शेतकार. We'll try to reach out to them also and shoot a Passay with them. तांचे बरोबर Passay करपाक
Yeah,
मेळटा.
it's good.
फादराकडल्यान.
It's something inspiring.
Yes.
Their journey is inspiring. Yeah.
So okay, so from here we go down. So further from there, you take it to the nursery.
We take it to the nursery. Okay, that is the first job in the morning. They shift the plants, shift the trays to the nursery
Morning time.
mornings. Because after that, everybody goes to work,
Okay.
and they are on the machines for planting. We'll go from the main gate, no?
Yeah.
For you all, it will be difficult to get down.
You jump from here.
We jump from here. I'll jump with all your cameras, no?
Yeah. It's
No, not jump. There is a steps.
So this is nursery.
This is the nursery, yeah.
And why you have kept this?
We have kept these, the trays have just come out today morning.
Huh.
Okay, they just come out. You can see little germination there.
Huh.
Okay, within a few days it will all germinate. Within 2 days it should all germinate. Okay, you can see them germinating inside.
Okay.
We put this cover because of the birds. Okay, birds come and eat up all the seeds in no time. Okay.
So how
They're
many
very
days
fast.
you keep this protected?
They protected for about 4 days.
Okay.
4 days. After that, we'll see there. You'll see it growing already.
So there 4 days total.
Total 4 days.
Then 4 days under protection.
Out. 5th day it comes out.
So this is like
8
taking
days.
care of a child,
Yeah, 8
newborn
days,
child.
Yes, 8 days. Yeah, we have to do that.
Extremely careful.
We'll go down there.
What is this, father?
These are they use it for cleaning the place.
Ah.
Okay.
Okay.
To make it level, especially when we start the
Ah.
season.
That time.
Just to keep the place level because the trays have to sit down well.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is khore.
Khore,
Used to
yeah.
call it khore.
Correct.
हे मातशे modern
This is-
khore जाले.
Yeah, small ones, yes. Easy
बारीक
find,
khore.
बारीक.
भुरग्यांक जाले दिवपा बरे हे न्ही.
I've given it to some schools also to use for the children. They're
Ah.
doing gardening. No? You have to give them these, not those big heavy ones.
Yeah, heavy ones they usually may hit their
They hit
own
their
legs.
toes,
No?
yes.
So this is better. Modern khore. अशी दूरी आहे त्यांची.
Yeah. Come,
So-
we'll walk up to that. Where the covers are put. This is like cricket covers.
Yeah.
Covering the
Like
field,
you
the rain.
cover the pitch when there is rain. Okay. So these are how many days old?
This is just 2 days after
2
coming
days.
out.
Like it's similar way. You have done it there. You also covered it here.
Covered it here, but we wait for 4 days to remove the covers completely. Growing
Okay.
process grows.
हा.
It doesn't stop, okay?
आणि heavy पाऊस पडला जाल्यार?
Kai na. This retains the beating of the rain.
Okay.
This covers retain the
पण
beating.
हेका पाऊस जाय काय पाऊस नाका?
Jai.
जाय.
If there's no pass, we have to water it.
हा. मागीर तुम्ही
मागीर
water
labor
करता.
problem. But everything is kept ready here.
या वर्षाचे you are happy this year?
Happy, very happy. We
Monsoons
started
on
early.
time?
We started early, so we are extremely happy.
पाऊस टाइम
See, this
राहिलो.
is little bigger than that.
Okay. हा.
Little bigger than that.
So these are older, then these are younger.
older. Yeah, it goes like that. It goes like that.
Okay.
It's a
Young
rotation,
to old,
rotation.
to grown.
Yes. We keep all the equipment ready here for plant protection. Suppose
Okay.
there's a disease, suppose there is some attack of insect attack,
Huh.
all that. We cannot afford to lose the whole thing.
Okay.
So suppose we need to give it a little booster, a little fertilizer. It's kept ready here. Okay. And then we have a pump. Right now the pump is not here.
Huh.
We pump it onto the. You can see this pipes are here. We
Okay.
pump it and then it is sprayed onto the whole process. And that's
Okay.
how it's taken. These are already ready to go.
पयलीं ते एक असले पंप येताले न्ही फादर अशे ओडून ओडून
ना ते
करपाचे ते?
नाही आम्ही
आता ना ऑटोमॅटिक
Automatic.
पयलीं ते असले येताले न्ही
ते गटर पंप म्हणटा this is what is ready. You know it is ready because you form a root bed.
ओके
See, these are all roots. Okay, so this goes onto the machine for planting.
and then machine picks it up
Mix
one by one
and
and
picks
then
it up 1 by 1, 2, 3, 4.
Plucks
whatever.
it and-
Plucks it, puts it.
puts it. Okay, so here the process ends.
With this it ends here. Then now next process is into the field which we
Yeah,
have covered earlier.
we have covered last year. So this year also you are on harvester, this thing,
Yes.
planter. Sorry.
Planter, yes.
So you are also on harvester or later
no,
on?
harvester I don't go.
Don't do.
I know, I don't know.
Up to planting.
Up to planting, yes.
So till date, what is the area that you have covered?
Till
under
date for this season we have covered 1.5 lakh square meters.
1.5
5
lakhs.
in the last 3 days.
So yeah,
We just started from this thing. Yeah,
last
but in
3 days.
Yeah, last
Sorry,
3
I
days
missed that.
only,
Last 3 days.
3 days, 1.5 lakh square meters.
So 50,000 per
50,000 average per day.
Per
But
day.
we have done 80,000 per day also one day. Okay. We can do any amount. Okay. But then we just program it. If we are going to do say 1 lakh, then we will not do any work here.
Okay.
So we will not do seeding, we will not do anything else. So we just take off in the morning and start planting straight away and come back in the evening, night. We've got 3 machines running now.
Embrace classic design and performance with Access 125. Contact Auto K Margao and BN Thakur Mapsa for more details. How do you feel usually when you see your fields growing later? You're planted, because we had that feeling last time when we went with you in
Yeah.
that particular paddy field.
Paddy field.
We went there again just to see, and we were feeling nice.
Yes.
Though we didn't plant, but we were there with you on that planter.
Very true, very
So
true.
how was the feeling?
What I do, I give rounds. I
Okay.
give rounds to all the fields after I finish to see whether they are doing well, to make sure that they are doing well. Okay, if not, I just give little advice to the farmer. If we notice some disease, sickness, whatever is coming, we give little advice. But it's beautiful in the sense there's so much of satisfaction, you know, that the place is green, huge areas. Shinshini is almost 4.5, 5 lakh square meters, one place. Okay, Kuttori Maina you see in there. Like that, Carmona, everywhere you see, no? And people are so happy. Where will they get that satisfaction? No? Everything done within a jiffy of a time.
Correct.
Okay, what they would spend 3-4 days doing that thing, it's within 2 hours it is all over. Okay.
Tell us about spirituality and farming.
Spirituality and farming, I think good question. Many people are now talking to me about this, and they're feeling that the success of it is because of spirituality and farming. Okay, and therefore we need to take care of the earth as much as we take care of ourselves. We are all born in this ecosystem, we will call it. We are not just individual human beings. We are not just you and me. Okay, you and me also can't exist. Okay, if we don't get in contact with nature, with Mother Earth. Mother Earth has fed us right from the beginning. Okay, and therefore we need to respect the earth. The moment we disrespect the earth, it's our downfall, and everybody is talking about it everywhere, and therefore this is spirituality actually. Okay, if you think you are from God, then you got to take care of the earth as part of you. You can't just say, I'm not worried about the earth.
Can't alienate yourself.
Can't alienate yourself from this. Okay, so that gives about a certain amount of, achievement in life. People want to achieve. If you achieve, say, engineer, at the end what? Engineer, okay. You built a family, what? Again you ask, what next, okay. But when you get the earth together with you, it becomes a whole. Becomes a complete aspect, okay. And people are getting more and more aware of it.
You are part of the chain.
Yeah, we are part of the chain. You
Don't break the chain.
No, don't break the chain, okay. You only destroy yourself in the chain, okay. So wherever they are, whoever they are, they need to respect the environment, they need to respect the earth, they need to make sure the earth produces enough. Okay, suppose a war breaks up, where are you going to look for your food? Ultimately, the food that keeps you alive.
Correct.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Yeah, then you're dead. Okay, all your building, everything, industry, everything will collapse. Okay.
Thank you, Father.
Good.
Thank you for
Thank you so
spending
much.
time.
Huh?
In fact,
Good, lovely.
you are busy, I know.
Yeah,
Very delayed.
This is also part of we need to people to know.
There's a lot of
what is
awareness
happening, yeah,
through
what
this.
is happening. Yeah.
Thank you, Father.
Gives great joy.
Yeah,
Good. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
God bless.
हे आशिल्ले फादर जॉर्ज कॉड्रोस फ्रॉम डॉन बॉस्को. जशें ते सांगता की यू कॅनॉट लिव इन आयसोलेशन, यू आर पार्ट ऑफ द चेन. सो जेन्ना तुमी आपूण निसर्गाक किंवा सैमाक अफेक्ट करता तेन्ना तुमी स्वताकय अफेक्ट करता. यू मे बी इंजिनियर, यू मे बी वेल सेटल्ड पर्सन, यू मे बी मल्टी मिलियनियर, पूण पोटाक जर अन्न ना जाल्यार यू आर युजलेस. तकली चलना, शरीरूय चलचें ना. सो नो फार्मर, नो फूड. आणि जर इफ यू रिक्वायर फार्मर्स टू एक्झिस्ट, प्लीज प्रोटेक्ट अवर लँड्स. दिस इज वन मेसेज दॅट इज देर विथ इन दीस पासय. आमी पासय फक्त दाखोवपाक हाडूना तुमकां पॅडी फिल्ड्स किंवा कशें जाता ते, पूण एक मेसेज, प्लीज प्रोटेक्ट युअर पॅडी फिल्ड्स. आणि जर तुमकां थंय रोवपाक तुमकां दिसता की त्रास आसा जाल्यार त्रास मातूय ना. यू कॅन ऑलवेज कॉन्टॅक्ट पीपल लायक फादर. तांचे कडेन मॅकनायज्ड सोल्युशन्स आसा. तातूंत तुमची पॅडी फिल्डाचेर व्हडल्यो व्हडल्यो बिल्डिंगो काडून थंय लोकांक त्रास करच्या परस तेच पॅडी फील्ड जे तुमी स्वता करूना, जे तुमच्या फोरफादरांनी तुमकां दिल्लें आसा, जनरेशनान मेळिल्लें आसा, ते काडून विकच्या परस प्लीज ते प्रिजर्व करा. थंय तुमी प्लांटेशन करा, थंय तुमी रोया कितें तरी, आनी नंतर फुडल्या जनरेशनाक हक्कान सांगा की बाबा हांवें केलें, आतां तुवें करचें पडटलें. तुमी पळयतात पासय वन्स अगेन ऑन युअर फेवरेट वेबसायट www.goanewshub.com. कीप वॉचिंग.